Hey guys, happy Friday. I'm facing this way because this way doesn't make much of a difference because it's raining outside. It's gross. I hope you guys had a good week. This week went by slowly, but then also today was sad because one of my coworkers, it was her last day. So I was avoiding it because we were pretty close, and so sad, but she's off to do good things, so but this weekend I think the weather's supposed to be pretty bad all weekend, which kind of sucks. Tomorrow we are going back to the place where I got my wedding dress to get Alex and Megan measured for bridesmaids dresses, and I also have measurements from my bridesmaid that's in England, and we're gonna get those ordered, which will be a relief. And then Sunday I will probably drag Ethan to Sephora so we can pick out cologne and perfume for the wedding, because there's a Sephora sale on right now, so I can buy those. And then those are the only like real things. And then I also want to start making flowers for our wedding cake, because I'm gonna make that myself. So I kind of figured out general idea last weekend and a lot of flowers, so I can start now. But that's about it. We missed Grey's Anatomy last night, so I want to watch that tonight. But yeah, and I've also already done some shopping from the Sephora sale. I got one thing that sold out during the last sale that I didn't realize was a thing, and then by the time I realized it was a thing, it's a like combo pack of something. There will be a haul eventually once I get everything else. And then the other thing was a bit of a splurge, like but I'm excited about it. It has something to do with its skincare, but yeah, I think we're doing homemade pizzas tonight. Oh, Ethan and I went for a run outside yesterday, so it's the first time we've run outside this year. And it was pretty cold, and I'm sore today, but gotta start somewhere, so happy about that. And I was happy running with my watch for the first time, but yeah. Happy Friday. Ethan has a knife. What's Mandy? In her natural habitat. It's just about 10:30. I'm going to bed. My hair is a little crazy. Blue Jays won. We might not be going to Sephora this weekend, but we might go during the week. But I'm going to get ready for bed. I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It is like 20 to 8. Gotta love when your body wakes you up like pretty much at your normal time. But Ethan and I are gonna watch some YouTube down here. I also forgot to mention, I swear, I like think of things to say and then I forget half of them. We booked our honeymoon this week, so I will be announcing it eventually. I will be announcing it in advance, but it'll still be a little bit before. Are you excited for our honeymoon?
Yeah.
I just said we booked it.
Yes, it's exciting.
So, yeah.
Is it freezing rain? Something.
Just started to do some.
So it's 10 after 11 and there was a little bit of water that got downstairs yesterday. So we're cleaning out the basement. So are you ready for this?
I was just wrapping this last one so that I can move it over.
This was the coolest toy when I was a kid. The little circus. Oh, the dumbbell, Mom. Strong guy. My grandpa painted this. That's Alex. So it's, what time is it? 1:54. We got home. What is it?
What? Where are we?
He's gonna put Bruno Mars on. We just got home. Bridesmaids' dresses are officially ordered. So I'm happy about that. It is disgusting out. It is freezing rain. But it looks like snow. It's ice. So we are in for the evening. And we are going to clean some of the basement. And then today I just bought I don't think I mentioned this yesterday, but I'm helping make a shirt for my boss. She's doing the Star Wars race. Well, both of my bosses are. They're doing the Star Wars race next weekend at Walt Disney World. So I'm helping to make her a shirt with my Cricut. And we discovered that there's Star Wars font like downloads that you can do off of Etsy. So I bought one of those. And so I'm going to work on that maybe this afternoon. And then maybe make some flowers tomorrow. But yeah, so yeah. It had to get worse before it got better. But you can actually like, there's actually space in here. So you can walk. There's just a lot of stuff in there still, but slowly improving.
Have a giveaway thing on the go.
Much better.
What?
Do we still have a giveaway box?
Also, still, I don't even think you can see it. Where's it? Can you see the ice bouncing off of that? It's just pellets coming down from the sky. So it's 10:15 and I'm going to get ready for bed. I'm tired. And it was a busy day cleaning, going through boxes and all that fun stuff. The weather is supposed to be even worse tomorrow than it was today. So we're gonna be inside. And I want to, now I don't know if I'm gonna cut that stuff for my boss, because we made some changes that I want to get her okay first. And then what else? I want to work on some gum paste flowers tomorrow for the wedding cake. And then film my plan with me and try and get ahead on editing, because I've been falling out of the routine. Like normally I would have my plan with me uploaded before even Friday, and I did it last night, so I'm still ahead, but I'd like to be more ahead. And I've already filmed the video for this week, so I just need to edit and upload that, and maybe write a little bit more for the blog post. But yeah, just try and be productive. But I will see you guys in the morning. Hi. Hi. Come say hi. Hi. Yeah, hi. Hi. Okay, go. Go. She likes to book it up the stairs. She gets hyper after she goes outside for some reason. I don't know. So that looks like snow, but that's ice. Can you hear it? It's crazy. Good morning. It's like awesome when that wakes you up. It's like before 8 o'clock. Yeah, today's supposed to be worse. I'm hoping the power doesn't go out, but it's supposed to be bad like all around Toronto and in Toronto too. But how many years ago was it? A few years ago there was a really bad ice storm in Toronto, but it was like freezing rain, whereas this is like ice pellets. So it coated everything, and like, so everything was just like coated in ice, and then it froze and power lines were down, and it was at Christmas. So Ethan and I went, we didn't have power here, but his parents had power, so we went up there and had power. But yeah, so hoping we don't have to relive that. But where'd my phone go? I don't know where my phone is. I'll find it. Okay. Want some scrambled eggs, Mandy? Sit. Sit. Down. Roll over. Roll. Sit. Okay. Hey guys, it's 12:15. I'm going to film my plan with me, and then I'm going to test print those items on paper and then cut them with my Cricut, so we'll see. But I kind of want to like get all that stuff done, and then I'm going to put the Cricut can move, the tripod can move, and I'm going to start making gum paste flowers. Going to back up the computer at the same time and maybe watch Moana while I do it, because I can have something on in the background. But yeah, that's the plan so far. I've had a headache every day for over a week now, and my stomach has not been great along with it. And I'm gonna take my nail polish off before I start making flowers, and then I might redo them because I do like this color. But yeah, that's the plan, and I'll show you guys other stuff, but can't show you filming my plan with me because I use this camera. So it is 1:44. I'm waiting for approval before I go and cut those t-shirts for those t-shirts. So I'm going to back up the computer and edit this week's video and potentially work on that blog post. Still doing good for time. So it's 3:46 and I did the budget. I don't know what else I did, but I was going to get all my cake stuff to start making flowers, and the one thing I need I can't find. So I'm reading while the computer finishes backing up, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do. And I still haven't heard back about this stuff, so maybe I'll shower, and then if I don't hear back before dinner, after dinner, I'll cut them and be done with them. And I guess flowers can wait. But now I want to organize my cake stuff because stuff should be where it should be. Yeah. Kind of angry. And I don't feel good, which is great. I love Ethan. We found them. So, computer has 9 minutes, 8 minutes left. So when that's done, I can unplug the backup disk, move my computer back so I have some more room, and I'm gonna watch Moana. So if you want to know, I guess I can kind of explain what I'm using. So I have gum paste, cornstarch, a like surface to roll out the gum paste on, my pliers, floral wire, the cutters just to see how big to make the rose centers, cones, and an edible glue, and then styrofoam to stick them in when they're done. But basically I'm just gonna make a bunch of rosebud centers that then I can make a ton of roses, doesn't matter what color, because there's gonna be roses on the cake. But yeah, so that's the plan, and I'm hoping, my goal is to have the cake done by the beginning of September, because it's going to be fake, which is why I'm doing it myself, and just why people think I'm crazy, but I want to have it done in advance so it can sit in a box and be fine. That is the goal. But I'm gonna read until that's finished because I started a book. It's good. It's called The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. Who's it by? That doesn't tell me. Bookshelf. By Taylor Jenkins Reid. It's good. Doing after figuring out that when I imported all of the letters that I did wrong, it's now cutting, and I'm so nervous. I hope it turns out okay. Guess we'll find out, but much cheaper than her buying one herself, so we'll see. So this is what's reminding us of the ice storm. It's the buildup of ice on the trees now. And I don't know if you can see the drip on the car, and it just looks like a skating rink. So hopefully we don't lose power. Oshilo's shepherd's pie, mushroom gravy. You can kind of see the ice a little bit better. Let's see. See how that looks like ice? Fun. It is 8:15, and I think it was supposed to stop raining around 8. So hopefully it stops. and hopefully everything is fine. But I'm going to have a shower and finish the weekend vlog for this weekend. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was like like hanging out at home, but I guess that's what happens when there's freezing rain in April. So next weekend will be more exciting. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. This week's vlog post and video is a check-in, because Wednesday is actually my birthday, so what better time to do like a personal check-in post. So go check that out if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next weekend vlog. So this is all the stuff that we've went through that we put aside. There are a ton of like kids books, and like majority of that pile there is Disney. So it's in my blood. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in the next weekend vlog on Friday. Thanks for watching. Bye.